Welcome to JB Technicians. And I'm JB. Friends, today we will talk about timers. We'll show you how to connect a timer. There are various types of timers, meaning they operate on different voltages. The timer we're discussing operates on 220 volts, and the contactor it connects to will also turn on at 220 volts. First, I'll draw you a diagram to explain it. Then, we'll show you its practical application. The timer we're discussing also varies in timing. It can measure seconds, minutes, or even hours. You can select the necessary time on it. This timer comes with a base that houses its connections. You're looking at an 8-pin base. It also has numbers. If my cameraman can show you, there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, each having a different function. I'll explain where, how, and why these connections are made. Number 2 and 7 are for our coil connections. Number 1 and 8 are usually common. Point 3 and 6 are normally open NO. And point 4 and 5 are normally closed NC. When we connect point 2 and 7 and turn it on, point 3 and 6, which are normally open, will close with point 1 and 8. This allows the connected device, like a contactor, to turn on at a set time. Let me first draw and show you a number diagram. It looks like a circle with points around it. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I've explained the function of each number. Now, let's move to the practical demonstration. First, we'll make the wiring connections on its base. We start with the coil connections at point 2 and 7, connecting the positive and negative or the live wire. We'll connect the positive to point 8. We give line to number 8 from number 7. So when it connects with the coil and the coil turns on, it will close the no connection at point 6, and our timer will turn on. With the timer on, it will also turn on the contactor. Now, we'll connect the contactor's coil. The neutral is usually directly common, so we'll connect it directly to the coil's neutral. We reconnect the loose wire. Always try to make the connection tight to prevent it from becoming loose. Now, we've connected the coil's neutral directly from the main line. We'll join it to the contactor's coil at the negative. We connect the neutral to the coil along with a positive line from number 6 to the coil's positive. You'll see we've made all the connections. We'll then place the timer in its base. We've set the timer to a few seconds, so the video isn't too long. You can see it's set for 10 seconds. We'll now give it an electrical line. As you can see, it's turned on. The running light has started. As it reaches the set time, our contactor turns on after 10 seconds. Let me turn it off and then on again to show you. It starts running again, and as soon as its time is up, it turns the contactor on. Friends, if you liked our video, please subscribe to JB Technician, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get our videos promptly. Thank you, and goodbye.